Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Spanish rice, also known as Mexican rice, red rice, or arroz rojo, is a Mexican side dish or an ingredient in other dishes made from white rice, tomatoes, garlic, onions, etc. It is traditionally made by sautéing the rice in a skillet with oil or fat until it is colored golden brown.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
What to serve with Mexican rice. Shrimp tacos, quick weeknight meal. Slow cooker chicken enchiladas, so creamy and flavorful. Creamy chicken enchiladas, personal favorite recipe. Mexican stuffed peppers, great way to use any leftover Mexican rice. Instant pot chicken tacos, easy and delicious.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Healthier choices include chicken fajitas, bean burritos, grilled chicken dishes with peppers and onions, hold the cheese, or a soft taco. Choose soft over crunchy. The crunchy dishes on the menu are likely to be fried and full of fat. 1. Ask your waiter not to bring pre-meal chips and salsa.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Spanish rice is a healthy low-fat dish. The vegetables contribute no fat, and 1 cup of long-grain white rice has just 0.4 grams of total fat and no cholesterol. You'll also gain about 1.4 grams of dietary fiber and 231 calories.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.